Hi there, Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we clear the house out. Floor sanding time. It's all happening here today. We have tiling, plastering, and plumbing. And we're doing this plywood ceiling. And it's tongue and groove, or tongue and groove looking. It's just plywood with V-grooves in it. And it's a little bit more work than plasterboard. So the reason the plywood takes a bit longer than the plasterboard is it is around about the same thickness, but you have to have solid fixing wherever you're joining. Plasterboard tends to bridge the gap a bit better. 9mm plywood can be quite wavy if you don't support it properly. We've added extra fixings everywhere and put a lot of pins in. Now, this little detail here, where the top of the ceiling meets the wall. We didn't want to put a timber molding that would stick out beyond the wall and beyond the ceiling line. We wanted to keep that line clean. Originally we were going to put plasterboard under that ceiling, so it would have been easy. Slim line, stop the corner, easy. But because we're going into plywood now, we've come up with something else. So this here, we put a big wide board there, a big wide 6x2 that we had to pack and get on the correct angle. So the issue we were having is that jib board can't just finish on the edge like that. You need to cover it with something because the edge is kind of a raw, breakable edge. So we had to finish it somehow. And the ceiling is raking, so we couldn't finish it with a square piece. So we moved the square piece underneath to here. And that square bit will go in there. And then we'll put a slim line out here to clean the corner out and then plaster over all of it. What you're left with is a nice smooth transition from the wall to the ceiling without anything sticking out beyond the wall or beyond the ceiling. Good job, Saeed. Good job.
Thank you.
All ready for the floor sander. A lot of work went into this, as you well know. Whew. We've still got a little bit more work to do in here. Pardo is patching up this floor. There was a patch job there prior and it wasn't done very well, so we're doing a good job of that. And yeah, there's little bits and pieces up there that we can get. There's an architrave through there, the bathroom to finish. The shower is actually hooked up. The plastering is mostly done. He's going to come back after the floor sander. But today, it's all about the floor sander. Tell you what, I can't pretend that it has not been stressful over the last couple of days. We only had these 2 days to get everything ready pretty much. For the inside anyway. And all the subcontractors pulled through. I mean, the plasterer came in, the tiler did most of the tiles. He's done everything in the bathroom and he did a heck of a lot in the kitchen. Laundry, kitchen, a shower, and we've still got the pink toilet. So, hey, haven't got everything. But then as soon as the flooring's done, the thing that we couldn't move, all those other things will lock into place. The toilet, but yeah, the subcontractors have really helped out. Worked 24 hours in the last 2 days. Super stressed. But I think it's all going to be worth it. This place is going to look really good. Speaking of floor sanding and floors in general, you guys know how tongue and groove usually works. You have the tongue like that, and you have the groove like that. And they slot in there, so when you stand on it, even if there isn't a joist there, it won't go down and up. When you're putting floorboards inside the middle of a floor, you can't quite do that. When you have to insert flooring into a floor that's already done, you can't use both the tongue and the groove. So we do this, we put solid treated plywood underneath. And these are temporary. They pull the ply hard up to the floor. And this is it from underneath.
Solid as.
Wow. Wow. It's a lot better than what was in. Huh?
We're going to resin fill the rest of it?
Yeah, well, where we can, where we need to. Hey buddy, hey buddy.